Dents on your car can be frustrating and unsightly, but they do not always require an expensive trip to the body shop. With the right tools, techniques, and a bit of patience, you can often fix minor dents yourself and restore your car's smooth, polished look. A dent puller kit allows you to easily remove car dents at home, restoring your vehicle's smooth surface without expensive repairs. Apply a small amount of hot glue to a glue tab and press it firmly onto the center of the car dent. Next, attach the dent puller tool and align it properly with the tab. Slowly tighten the tool to begin pulling the dent outward. Once the dent is corrected, remove the glue tab. If any glue remains on the car surface, use rubbing alcohol to clean it off thoroughly, leaving the panel smooth and residue-free. Another method is to use a ball-peen hammer to gently work on the car dent. Tap lightly and carefully to avoid damaging the paint or stretching the metal further. The goal is to slowly reshape the panel back to its original form. Then, take a soft-tip knockdown tool and use a small hammer to apply a little more controlled leverage. Hold the tool firmly with your hand and give light, precise taps. This step requires patience, so continue working gradually and evenly. If a ridge forms or the metal pushes up on either side, gently tap those raised areas down until the surface becomes smooth and even again. Using a hair dryer and compressed air is another effective way to remove a car dent. Start by heating the dented area with a hair dryer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep the hair dryer moving and avoid focusing on one spot to prevent paint damage. After heating, take a can of compressed air, hold it upside down, and spray the dented area. The sudden temperature change causes the metal to contract, which can help pop the dent back into place. Repeat this process several times until the dent is fully removed. This method is especially helpful for repairing small to medium-sized dents and can restore your car's smooth surface. The boiling water method is a simple and effective way to fix dents on plastic bumpers. Start by pouring hot, boiling water over the dented area to make the plastic more flexible. Once heated, take the plunger and gently push the dent outward. Repeat this process as needed, working slowly to gradually restore the bumper to its original shape. This technique works best for shallow dents and can often restore the panel to its original shape without the need for special tools. By following these expert tips and using the proper methods, you will effectively remove dents and keep your car looking its best, bringing back that showroom shine in no time.